Hi, I'm John Kelly. I'm an attorney practicing in vulnerable adult cases. In this chapter, we'll talk about common defense tactics in vulnerable adult abuse and neglect cases and how to counter them with facts, strategy, and a clear moral narrative. We've covered how these injuries happen, what they look like, and how to report and preserve the evidence, and how the damages are built. Now, in this chapter, we're going to have to talk about the other side, because in civil cases, the defense rarely says, "You're right, we failed. Here's fair compensation." They have a playbook, and if you've handled these cases such as I have, you already know the playbook is designed to confuse, fatigue, and devalue your case. So let's expose it as best as we can. We'll now talk about common defense strategy number 7. It was someone else's fault. Facilities sometimes blame the hospital. They came in like that. The family, you didn't visit enough. Another resident, we can't control other residents, or even a victim. They're just clumsy. The counter here is responsibility. A facility is responsible for the safety of its residents within the scope of the foreseeable risk. If a wound was present on admission, then the question is, what did the facility do next? Did it assess, treat, monitor, and escalate? If the resident-on-resident violence occurred, the question is, was the risk known? Were the prior incidents documented? Was the supervision adjusted? Were residents separated or protected? If the family didn't visit daily, then the question is, why does your business model depend on unpaid family labor to prevent neglect? To conclude this chapter, the defense playbook is designed to make the harm seem normal, inevitable, and unprovable. Our job is to show that it was foreseeable, preventable, and documented. And when you do that, the playbook burns. Now, after going over this information, if you have questions or have a loved one that's a vulnerable adult that needs help in the legal sense, we're happy to help. We help people nationwide. You can reach us at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.